Perfect. Right there. Look where you're going. Look where you're going. So we're going to try to see the big, tall telephone pole. Pull. Aim right at that. Right there. Right there. Right there. Perfect. Good. Pull it towards you a little bit. Right there. Perfect. So the wind shifted. So pull it towards you a little bit more. A little bit. No, that's pushing it away. You did the opposite. Pull more. Pull more. Pull more. Pull more. There we go. So there's a little wind shift here. Something goofy's happening here, but it'll feel.
Wind shift?
Yeah, so the wind changed direction, okay? Like big time. All right, now straighten it out. Right there. So we're going to see if the wind will come back, if there's a different shift or something.
Did we stop?
We're not going fast, but we didn't stop.
Water's cold.
It's not warm, but it's not cold, huh? All right, now we're going to tack. Now we're going to aim towards the bum boat, okay? Can you push it away? Push it away, and I'll show you where the bum boat is. All right, go to the high side. So do you see the boat up there that has, it's all closed up. It's by a boat that's floating with like purple curtains on it. See it?
It looks weird.
Yeah, that's the bum boat.
Oh, it has the sail and it's really high.
I guess so, yes. So again, try to aim up that way a little bit. Yeah, you're okay. Good. Good, good, good. Push it away a little bit. Right there. Hold it right there. Try to aim at that black boat. See if we can go to the black boat. Right there, straighten it out, straighten it out. Right there. Good, all right, push it away and tack. Push it away. Push it away more. You gotta turn the boat and now take it out. Good. Good job. All right, so we just gotta figure out how to get that a little quicker, okay? Okay.
Hello. Do you know where I'm sitting?
Where are you sitting?
Right here.
All right, we'll aim down the river. Let's go downwind a little bit. Don't sit back there, dude. That's not where you're going to sit. You're going to sit. Oh, all right, straighten it out. Straighten it out. Straighten it out.
Right.
No, you're driving. So we're going to wait for the wind to fill in a little bit. There's a little bit of wind coming. Can you feel it on your ears?
Yeah.
When you look, you got to see.
The rope is twisted.
It's fine. Do you see it on the water at all? Look for any dark on the water. Do you see anything? Oh, we're gonna jive, I think. Or well, hold on, let's let it fill in. I don't want that in the water. Okay. Anything in the water is extra drag. All right, go ahead and aim towards our boat and see where this takes us. Okay. Right there. Great. Good. Perfect. Aim right towards our boat. Towards our boat. Towards our boat. Okay. Good, right there. Perfect. Now keep your head down. If this boom comes across, it's going to hit you in the head. Okay? So you've got to duck when it comes by. Okay? You hear me? Okay. Pull towards you a little bit. You're doing great. Good. You're doing great. You're doing great. You're doing great. You're doing great. Good. Now keep aiming right. We're going to go all the way down to Nate's boat. So see those kayakers? We're going to try to pass them, okay?
Hi, Gumbo! Happy birthday, Gumbo!
Don't turn. All right, there's a little puff. There's wind on the water right here. You'll feel it. It'll fill in. Just get ready. Like my sister? What do you mean? Straighten it out, don't turn. We see her every now and then. Why?
No, we didn't see Joe.
Okay, do you want to see him more? Okay, we could do that. Right at the bridge, right at that big bridge. Oh, hey, right at the bridge? Perfect, right there, perfect. Right at the bridge? On the bridge? You're doing good. No? No. Pull it towards you a little bit. Right there, right at the bridge. Nice. We will. Keep aiming at the bridge.
I like it.
Aim at that bridge. We can't go there. It's too shallow.
Oh, we can do it with the
Maybe. Pull it towards you a little bit. I know. Get down here. Get right down here. Perfect. Just in case the boom comes over, it's going to hit one of us in the head, and I'd rather it be me. Do you want to get hit in the head by it?
No.
No.
That's it there.
Dude, the wind just picked up, man.
Because I did not even know
It's honking. We got this on video.
Hold on. If you're seeing this, I was driving, then this big wind picked up, and Dad took